San Francisco is second only to New York City in the number of its Michelin-starred restaurants. Michelin-rated restaurants range from inexpensive Bib Gourmand restaurants, where a meal can be purchased for under $40, to the 3-starred and highly lauded French Laundry, frequently ranked as one of the best restaurants in the country. Expect to pay through the nose for the 3-starred restaurants, with Eater SF rating Saison, one of the 3-starred restaurants, as the spendiest spot in the city. Eater's Bill Addison spent $864 on a meal for just himself, after cocktails, wine pairing, tax, and tip on his meal, though he decided it was one of the best meals of his life. In 2016, the city had 50 starred restaurants with 5 3-starred restaurants and 74 Bib Gourmand restaurants. Click here to read more about the 2016 Michelin-starred restaurants in San Francisco.